Hey guys! In this tutorial I want to show you how I can do a simple face distortion like this in the Spark AR Studio, and yeah, I will also show you how you can do some interactive stuff like this. So when you open your mouth that the face stretches in all directions. So this is gonna be a really fun tutorial, so let's start! Hey again, so let's do some face distortion here in the Spark AR Studio. Before we start creating the filter here, we have to download some assets first. We can download those assets from the official Spark AR site, so just go to the description and click on the link. Then you will end up on this site here. Just scroll down and here you have a button which says Example Project. Just click on it and the download will start automatically. After the download is done, you will find this zip folder in your downloads folder. Just unzip it and then you will have this folder here. Enter the folder and just click on one of the following two folders, and here you will find the folder Objects. Click on it, then Face Distortion Pack, click also on it, and then you will find this Face Distortion Pack.fbx file. And then just drag and drop this file into your Spark AR project. After this is done, we can start creating the filter here in the Spark AR Studio. The first step we have to do is to create a face mesh. So go to your scene, click on the plus and here search for face mesh. After the face mesh is created, it should look like this. Now just select the face mesh in your scene, then go to the right hand side and here you can find Deformation. Just click on the plus next to it and then select the face distortion pack. So after this is done, we can already play around with the distortion features. As you already can see, my eye is some kind of distorted. So when you have the face mesh selected and go to your right hand side, you will find some options now under Deformation. Here at first the eye scale is set to 100%. So let's set it down to 0%. And now we can just play around with all those settings here. For example, you can stretch the nose and also make it a little bit bigger so you have a bigger nose. You also can do this with your eyes and also with your mouth or your chin. So for example this, or you can stretch your whole face, and this looks pretty funny. So as I said, it's a really funny tutorial here, and you can also use those values to extract them into your patch editor. I will show this now to you. For example, you can just drag and drop your face tracker from your scene into the patch editor to get those badges. And now I want to add another badge, the mouth open patch. So now we connect the face output from the face tracker 0 patch to the face input of the mouth open patch. So now we need some values from our face distortion. So we go back to our scene, click on the face mesh and then go to the right hand side to our deformation values. So now I want to go down to stretch, and here next to stretch we have this little arrow. When we click on it, there will be a new patch here in our patch editor. And now when we connect the openness output of the mouth open patch with the weight input of the stretch, our face is deforming when we open our mouth. So the mouth open gives a value from 0 to 1, and for the weight we need a input from 0 to 1, so we can do this. So you can just play around with all those features and can create a funny a face effect for your Instagram filters. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If yes, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new on this channel and you don't want to miss any of my next tutorials, subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye!